Good morning, everyone. How we doing today? All right, you guys, we're on our last Pride set, Pride 9. This one is My Never Ending Love. All right, we've got Total Countdown, which is a green and gold overlay. This was a St. Patrick's Day. Raise Your Voice, which was foundation set for domestic violence. That's it. Those are both, actually all of these are older ones, you guys. Love Letter was a Valentine's Day one, and Thanks a Million. And this was Black Friday. Love that set. Ready for a return of it. You guys, at 7 a.m. What in the hairy heck? I slept about 12 hours last night, so here I am, raring to go, doing some nails bright and early in the morning. This one is so cute with its little writing on it, but you know, not the super fan of these white sets, so I think by adding Thanks a Million, and I don't want this glitter dip to distract a horrible ton from my little heart down there, so I did raise it up a teeny bit. Yeah. So we've got red and orange in Thanks a Million, and green and yellow in the Countdown, and then blue and purple in Raise Your Voice. So we're covered. That's how we're covering the rainbow, if you guys were wondering. In this set, I had to clip some of these. That is the thing with the glitter dips. You have some bigger glitters in there, so you've got to trim them down. And then this will also be my pointer. Can't believe we're wrapping up another series of June Pride sets again, you guys. Now, well, there we go. The white always wants to show my wrinkles too. It's a very, you know, me and white don't have the best relationship here. But there we go. But this helps. These glitter dips help. Yeah, those are cute. They need that. They need it to make them look better for me. But they also need it because the whites never hold up either. For some reason. I think it takes a lot of pigment to make it be this solid. And that's what makes it chip for me every time. For real, every time. Me and the whites, we're not friends, you guys. I'm so excited for this one with the little love floating at the bottom. I think it's gonna be so cute. There we go. My thumbs, that's the only one I'm a little bit like on the fence, not 100% sure what I'm doing yet. So we'll see. See what happens when I get there. Oh, that's cute. I gotta see if Marcy wants to start watching Bridgerton this weekend. I'm so ready. Well, the second season, you know. Yep. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited to see this all together now. I saw this, where I got the idea for this, you guys, is during Valentine's Day, somebody had used this set and done the, was it called Love Shack? The Valentine overlay from this year. It was like, was it all red or red and pink? Either way, you know what I'm talking about, I think. They had done it over this, and I was like, that is a brilliant way to rescue this set that's a little bland otherwise. There we go. Oh, isn't that cute now? So much better. Okay, let's see. Now let's rock out that side. And we'll do something to the thumbs. It's Saturday the 25th today, by the way, you guys. So this is a pre-recorded me. But I wanted to be able to wear this set the longest. I was looking forward to it. Do you guys do puzzles? There's a girl on YouTube. Well, I'm sure there's more than one, right? I doubt there's only one. There's not like one of anything on YouTube, but there's a gal that does puzzles. Like, she'll do kind of a time lapse of it, and she goes over, you know, what she thought was extra tricky or not tricky. And she does old puzzles from the 70s and stuff, or challenge puzzles, or super huge ones that are like 100,000 pieces. And I can watch her for way longer than you should watch any single person do a puzzle, you guys. I don't know why I get super wrapped up, but I do. I don't know why I saved that one out, because I don't need it. Well then. Anyway, it's got me in the mood to do a puzzle, but I don't think I'd be able to get through one with Tartar. I don't think he would let me have the space to do one. Well, without him helping, that is. He's a very good helper, you know. Next week we'll get to have beef in. We've only got 5 more days till he gets his vet check. Gets the okay to come hang with all the critters and humans. He'll be very happy boy. In the basement, the bunnies have like a low stand Dathan built. He actually built it for my Christmas tree to go on, because if the Christmas tree isn't up, the bunnies will eat everything. And they took it over as their favorite little hidey hole with a blanket over it. So it's down there and they love to hide in it. But Tartar loves to hop on top like he's sneak attacking. And Beef came into the house with Dathan. And Tartar was on the bunny's little hidey stand and Beef just hopped up there and knocked him off. And Dathan's like, stop being a bully. So I do believe that Beef will be the leader of the pack. Tartar doesn't, he's such a little soft-hearted boy. He doesn't got it in him to be the leader of any pack. Only thing he's in charge of is his catnip toys. Do some edge cleanup there. Ooh, I love those. Okay, so now what I was thinking for the thumbs would be fun. And I don't think I need to... No, I do need to nip it. I was going to say, I don't think I need to nip it because you don't really see it, but I do want it to be a little lower. So what I was thinking for this is just going to be a real heavily done glitter. So I've got the red, gold / orange and such at the top. Oh. And then I put the green yellow down. Well, I was gonna try to do it. Let me see. Hang on. No, it doesn't really show it through it. I was gonna make a mixed, you know, but it doesn't really do, it's not benefiting any. It's not doing anything great there. So we'll just do that one. I'll do this one on the other one. These two I'll put in a little package. The glitter, I mean, like, even though it's kind of sparse, it's too heavy to show the other glitter through. That's okay. Not all your best laid plans work out, you guys. There we go. All right, lots of edge cleanup with that chunky glitter. But either way, I'm loving it. And I love a plain glitter dipped thumb. Like, if you're not a fan of French tips or you don't want to try them, just do a glitter dip. They're a beautiful glittery tip. Love it. There we go. Happy Pride Month, everyone. Next time you see me, we'll be getting patriotic.